Hi lovelies, good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Do you know that right now thousands of creators are using AI tools to make money online without needing huge capital, technical skills, or even a full team? Imagine turning your smartphone or laptop into a money-making machine just by knowing the right AI tool. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful AI tools that can help you create faster, work smarter, and earn more money online. Stay with me to the end because number 5 is a real game changer that most people don't even know about it, but I know about it. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Let's beg for something else but basic needs with our smartphone. No. Now you guys, can I tell you something? Do you know ChatGPT is a hot cake? But before, can you allow me to say, this is a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a technical genius. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady that decides to bring for you this educational video. It is for educational purposes or entertainment. I bring for you 10%. Look for yourself 90%. And for somebody out there that has been on our channel, best engagers, I love you so much. And the new subscribers, please share this message. Let's make this money. Why not make this money? Allow me, this video is going to be short and precise, but whenever you want me to elaborate on, write it in the comment section 3 times. When you write it, comment it 3 times, I'll know you really need it and you've heard about it. So let me dive in and we see what are these AI tools that have shifted our life passively. One is ChatGPT. This ChatGPT is your AI copywriter. I love it so much. First on the list is ChatGPT. I'm giving it 99 because I can give it 100 over 100. You guys, this AI tool is like having a personal assistant who writes for you 24/7. It does the heavy lifting. You just sit and collect money. Creators are using ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts that grab attention, to create blog posts and articles for websites that earn more money through ads, to generate product description for online stores. Yes, the beauty of ChatGPT is speed. What might take you 5 hours of brainstorming and writing can be done in minutes. And if you're consistent, you can turn that content into real income streams through YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, or freelance writing gigs. Canva AI. This one is for designing. It has made designing simple. It's for designing purposes. Secondly, you guys, I can give them this one like 89 out of 100. Not everybody is a graphic designer, but Canva has made us be one. We look like the graphic designers. Using Canva AI features like magic design and text image, you can instantly create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and even entire presentation. And this is what I'm using for me to create my YouTube thumbnails. Creators make money with Canva by selling digital products like ebook, templates, and even graphics. Clients, they can get clients, yes, but others use it to build personal branding that attracts many clients. What you do, guys, you remember that visuals sell, and Canva AI gives you professional level visuals without hiring a designer. The third one is Pictory. Pictory AI can turn text into videos. AI is one of the things that is trending right now. If you ever struggle to edit videos or don't even want to show your face, this tool is for you. You simply paste your scripts or blog articles, and Pictory automatically creates a video with stock footage, captions, and voiceovers. This means you can repurpose your written content into engaging YouTube videos, TikToks, or Facebook. When I'm talking about Facebook, we have videos and reels. This is perfect for reaching more audiences, and since short form content is booming, you can monetize through ads, brand partnership, and even digital product promotion without heavy editing skills. The fourth is Jasper AI. This one really has high quality marketing content. AI, as we can say, Jasper AI, this one is an advanced AI writing tool focused on making and selling. Jasper helps creators write persuasive emails, social media ads, and website copy and converts. This is very important, you guys. And what do you think is important? Because making money online isn't just about creating content. It's about convincing people to take action. Whether it's buying your product, signing up for your course, or clicking your affiliate link, Jasper helps you write words that make people feel good with it. It also goes ahead and makes creators be freelancers by offering AI-powered copywriting services to businesses. Let's see the fifth, then the last. It's Midjourney. AI art for profit. You can go for Midjourney if you want to make art. And can I tell you, one of the most exciting tool is Midjourney. This is an image generator that creators are stunning. They really create stunning things, the art, original artwork from simple text prompts. Creators are making money by selling AI generated art as digital downloads, printing on demand t-shirts, mugs, posters. Even they are using unique images for YouTube thumbnails and brand visuals. What makes Midjourney powerful is its uniqueness. Every design is one of a kind, and you don't need to be an artist to start creating and selling. So, is you here? There you have everything that we need for creating art. ChatGPT, Canva, AI Pictory, Jasper, and Midjourney, they are here. These are your 5 AI tools that are helping creators that make money online faster and smarter. This key is not just, let me give you a tip. It's not about just knowing these tools, but actually using them to build consistent income streams. Which one of these tools would you try first if you've not tried any? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you found this valuable information very helpful, please put for us a heart in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe for more strategies on making money online with AI. Remember, the future is not coming; it is already here. Don't get sleepy. Don't be lazy. No, let's make it together. We can do it. Bye bye. See you in another video.